Hello everyone, I'm going to talk to you about how to finish your line sheet. I'm going to assume you can get this far where you've highlighted your table and you went to your borders and you said no grid, no border, and then you took your paint bucket and filled in white paint to fill in that background. Now to add a picture here, hopefully you have your flats saved someplace. You can go to the Insert tab, say Insert Picture. You can insert pictures over cells. I'm going to place it over my cells from this device. And I'm going to go to navigate to where I have my pictures stored. I have a t-shirt flat. I'm going to insert this picture here. You can grab the corners here and you can resize your picture if you have a front and back. You want to put both or just have one picture. And also if you double click on your picture, you can see some formatting options if you wanted to add a little bit of a beveled frame or a drop shadow to your picture, you can do that. Also, what I want to do is I want to put some shapes, some lines here to indicate some areas of interest. So again, I'm going to go to my Insert tab and there is a shape drop down here. And I'm going to just grab some lines here and you can draw some arrows and say, and you can grab some stuff here and say, I'm going to merge and center this and call this one, rib knit. Some areas of interest like this. And you can move that. You want to put this around, you want to put a border around that? You can do that. I would like to see one or two of these items added. You should also label your fabric swatches like this, like the student has here, colorways and fabric swatches. You don't need to label each individual cell, just have the categories labeled. And then down here, you're going to put the website of where you got your information, and then it'll be complete. Okay, that's it.